Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you with me on big and beautiful hike in New Zealand. So I'm just waiting for... Oh! Hello! Oh wow! Come to me! Oh my god, I'm just recording a video. Oh my god, look at you!
God, you not cold? Look at you.
I'm hot!
What shall I put?
No! Okay guys, see you later. Good morning. It's Friday. It's Friday, 7:30 a.m. and it's my day off. I decided to make day off and go with my friends for a good hike with two of my friends. So first coffee, get ready, and then enjoy. Weather is good today. A little bit chill, as for me, because I like heat. Okay, coffee. Oops. Coffee is first. Coffee is always first thing in the morning. Come on. I'm still sleepy. But so excited about today. I will show you everything. All the beautiful nature in New Zealand. Oh my god. You're gonna enjoy it with me. Yeah. Oops. Now I will do my makeup. Makeup and get ready. This is my favorite spot. Having coffee and watch my favorite YouTubers. Cool. Okay, let's see the news. Get ready, makeup. What else? I will show what I take with me on my hike, and yeah, and hike itself. So let's go. This is what I'm gonna wear. Shorts, Lululemon. Yeah, that's the one. Top, the pink one on top of it, and socks. Yeah, let's get ready. So first, it's water, because they're important to drink water, not only when you're hiking or walking, in general. So it's 1 liter, it's less than that. My new water bottle, I bought it like 1 or 2 months ago. I never use it, so that's time. I'm taking 1 banana, 1 apple, and also high protein brownies, which I made. So it's few pieces. Maybe I will share with the girls. I don't know. They also take something too. So next one. So this I will put in one bag. In case I'm taking banana and apple in case, but I'm not a person who, eating breakfast. But anyway, so water, snack, then tripod, very important, so we can record some nice, beautiful videos and all together, maybe to click some pictures. And this is selfie stick. Why not? Okay, power bank. Yeah, cable. So what else? Microphone. So I need to charge the little one. Sunglasses. Yoo-hoo. That's my hiking one. It's an old one, but I'm using it for walking, hiking. This one for water. Yeah. Usually when I'm walking, sometimes I'm having this one with me. And cap. Sunblock. Woohoo! Where's my sunblock? I need it. Yeah, here we go. For kids, 50 plus. So, because maybe it will be too hot. Who knows? So, can apply here in my arms. Okay, that's it. That's everything I have with me. Snacks, water. Yeah, this. This is quite heavy, It's quite heavy. quite heavy. So, my little bag. Oh, let's see, this way. Oh, it's quite heavy. Too much water. But it's okay. I'm ready. I'm ready to go. Yeah, this. And another phone in case. Another phone. So, girls coming in 10 minutes. So it's 8:49. So we start at 9 a.m. Friday morning. So, wish me luck. Tanya, look at this beautiful nature, huh?
I know, look at it.
Look at it.
Sunny day.
Okay, that's the hike, that's the place. We just arrived. Yeah. And look at this beautiful day. Girls, we are going. We are going. Gonna be good walk, but we have to start our workout, like walk. Yeah, we have to. Yeah, Tanya, do you have watch? Okay, we need to start now. So 10:50. Okay. Okay, Tanya, hold for 2 seconds. Yeah, 2 seconds. All of us, girls, smile, everyone, walk.
Timer started.
Timer started. Let's go. Look at this beautiful nature. Oh my God, I love it. Natasha, what? What do you say?
People walking along the rocks there.
No, I don't think so.
They are.
Really?
Yes.
Is it right way to walk? Tanya, what do you think? Is it right way we're going or not?
I remember we went straight to the mountains. So
Mountains. All right. Smile. To another side.
and here you can cut
To
out
the
some
sand
of-
dunes.
Yeah.
Some guy died the other day.
Oh really? Wow.
It collapsed. So we won't
Died?
Yep, we're not going to be doing sand duning.
No. Okay, Tanya. Tanya, also be careful. What's going on?
I'm going to go this way. Sorry.
Oops. Natasha, you okay?
I think I've gone the wrong way.
You go wrong way.
It's very slippery.
Slippery?
It is very slippery on these
Oh my
rocks.
God. What are you doing, Natasha?
I'm going this way.
Wow. Good. Made it. Dark sand?
Yeah, look, there's light sand and then there's
Other problem, if it will be high tide,
yeah,
we will be not able to come back.
yes.
So we have to go all the way back from there.
I don't know.
No,
I'm hoping there's like a loop.
you know what we should do? We should check before. Yeah.
Forest.
I never check. Anywhere I go and then like, I'm stuck somewhere or confused where to go. I was like, really? Never check.
We'll be good.
Huh?
We'll be good.
We'll be good. It's nice. Look now.
House or something.
That's not a bad house to sleep in.
Oh, wow.
Sorry.
Hello. We got lost.
Cold, hungry.
We can go along here. It's going to be easier than slipping down.
So it's 2 hours, girls. It's 2 hours, 15 minutes.
Oh, that's good. 6 Ks.
Oh, wow.
Return along beach is not possible at high tide. This walkway crosses
That's first.
private land. No dogs allowed on track. Please keep to the walkway. Okay.
Should we check if it's high or low tide later? No.
Yeah.
Should we check right
We
now?
might have to
Girls,
tides.
we should check. Because I think we can be stuck here in this beautiful, beautiful place. That's what I usually walk every day. So you girls okay?
I don't know. I'm not fit. You doing exercise if I
So-
don't do anything.
What are we gonna
Okay,
do with
I
you?
run. I do short distance running. So I run 2 to 4K, so
Couch.
Tanya, we'll leave you here.
Okay.
You stay here.
Tanya will be fine.
I'm kidding. It's a cardio plus, you know, strength training because stairs, they are not easy. Working all the quads and calves. Tomorrow we'll have sore calves, Natasha.
I never have
promise you.
sore calves.
I promise you. Oh, how's your calves? How's your glutes? Are you sore?
No.
No? Come on, girls. We can do this.
We'll take it easy. We don't
Yeah.
have to rush it.
So nice. Look at this. Woo. Look at that beautiful view.
Oh, wow.
Oh, nice. Look at this view, girls. This is the best view. Oh,
At least we
my
live in a
God.
beautiful, peaceful country.
Oh my God,
hey?
look how dangerous. How dangerous. Can you imagine if I fall? Can you imagine?
No, we don't want to.
We don't want to imagine. Oh my God. Natasha, look at this. Love.
It's
Love this
stunning.
nature. This water.
Look at that boat out there.
Yeah, just one boat there.
One boat.
Just one. Let's have a little break. And snacks.
Even bench on the truck.
Exactly.
Everything
See?
for people here in New Zealand. Just go in and enjoy, people. Go and enjoy. Brownie, girls. You wanna try? Natasha, do you want some brownie? Or no?
You've got to eat your brownie.
No, it's enough for me. Do you want one piece?
I'll share with Tanya.
Okay, I have to try brownie.
You have to try.
Oh.
Okay, take one little piece for you and one for me. Okay.
Let me just.
It's a bit cold. Oh.
For me, it's super little, like water.
There we go.
Thank you so much.
It's a high protein. No flour
And just banana.
and no sugar.
Wow.
No. That's I bake this my yummy favorite recipe.
So healthy.
I made these the other day.
Oh my God, and yum.
Yummy?
Amazing. Look at that. Magic touch.
Isn't it?
Nice.
It's just so pretty.
So pretty.
If this was Europe, there'd be houses everywhere. I love the way they make the houses kind of blend into the hills so they're not in your face.
Nice. Okay, girls.
My legs shake.
You will be sore tomorrow then.
Yeah, let's check the places. So what do we want to eat? What do you want, Tanya?
I love seafood.
Natasha?
Seafood as well if I can,
Who
but
wants the burger? Big juicy burger? No? Okay, I'm happy to eat anything.
okay.
Oh, nice.
Oh, we could eat here if you want instead of the
Oh my God, the smell.
Isn't it the one?
So nice.
Okay, I'm gonna have to. I have to buy presents for everyone.
This chocolate.
No, there was a lavender chocolate.
Oh, this looks good. Nice.
Natasha, which do we recommend?
Yeah, which one?
They don't. This is they're all new. I have been here such a long time ago. They're all new now.
Dark chocolate. With the ginger. Interesting.
This looks nice.
Natasha, why it's so expensive?
Expensive?
Yeah.
Because it's proper chocolate.
Ah, it's proper chocolate. Ah. Organic. Matakana kitchen. We have lunch here.
So you haven't been here?
No, never been here.
Wow.
No, I've been to Matakana, but not here.
Oh my God. We come here quite often. Sunday usually.
Sunday.
And, and we like, I'll actually love here burger in the market.
Okay.
And me and Alisa, we usually have coffee and some like lots of very like cute bakery here. Like, yeah, amazing.
Nice. I should come here on Sunday. It's
Yeah,
beautiful.
come. Just check online.
Yeah, Matakana.
Yeah, because I'm not sure if it's every Sunday. I think so.
Yeah.
You can buy very yum salami and you know.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, like our
Like real
salami,
proper.
real
Yeah.
proper.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's quite big portions, isn't it?
Oh my
This is
god.
this is half portion.
Oh my god. I don't know. I don't know if I can manage all this.
Yeah.
Seriously, it's too much. Come to me. Come to me, my little burger. A little one. Okay, they said that it's the best. Okay, let's see. Juicy. See?
Look really good. Yeah. Happy Natalia.
Happy Natalia. So yummy. Tanya, how's yours?
Amazing. So yum.
So yum. So
Try.
what is that? What is that?
Scallops and snapper.
Okay.
Risotto.
Natasha, what is yours?
Ceviche.
Ceviche. Okay. And mine is burger. American burger. Okay, done our hike. I hope you girls enjoyed.
I enjoy, but it was not easy.
Why?
Hands down. So, why? Because I'm not fit. So yeah,
You're not fit, but you did good.
I did. Yeah, I survived.
What about you?
Loved the hike. Hated the car trip.
The road. But it was good.
But it's a fun day.
Enjoy lunch. Enjoy chocolate.
Loved lunch and chocolate.
Yeah,
So it
and
versus all
thank you for this beautiful weather.
Oh yeah, we'll like it.
And scenery.
Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.